If you or your client have an online business and sell your products and services online, then having a landing page can be a game changer for you. The main purpose of landing page is to encourage its visitor to take some specific action, whether it's generating a lead or getting a sale for your products and services. With Kwikcart, you can create your independent standalone landing pages for your specific offers and perform several marketing and advertising activities with a great uplift in your desired conversion, whether it is generating a lead or getting a sale against your offers. In this quick video, we have tried to cover how you can create high converting landing pages by today itself and drive enormous conversions for your offers. Well, if you don't know what Kwikcart is, so basically Kwikcart provides cost-effective online solutions with which you can build and host your e-commerce stores and funnels without worrying about any of the overhead cost. Kwikcart's all-in-one marketing platform and data-centric dashboard allows you to track all marketing and sales data from a single window. Well, if you want to know more about Kwikcart, then click on kwikcart.io. Now let's come into our topic. Here's what you will need to create landing pages using Kwikcart. 10 minutes of your time to understand and research on your audience, a good offer and a product that you would like to sell and get conversions, and a trial account of Kwikcart. Here is a step-by-step guide that you can use while building your landing pages using Kwikcart. Step number 1. Sign up for a Kwikcart's trial account. Simply head over to kwikcart.io and create a trial account. Step number 2. Create a store landing pages or funnels using templates. After signing up with Kwikcart's trial, you can create your landing pages or funnels using Kwikcart's 1000 plus pre-built templates. You can also set up a high converting product or services landing pages or funnels on your main brand subdomain and send traffic to these landing pages instead of any of the low converting product pages. By the way, always remember, if you face any kind of problem, then our expert team is always there to guide you to build your store. Remember, we are just one chat away. Step number 3. Link the domain or subdomain. Purchase domain from GoDaddy, Dynator, Namecheap or any other domain registrar for your affiliate funnel. You can also link this domain to your Kwikcart account with just one click and then map your funnels and landing pages to this domain. You can also link your main brand subdomain to Kwikcart and promote it. Step number 4. Set up advanced integrations and tracking. Integrate with Google Analytics or Facebook Pixels or CAPI easily and keep a track of all the activity on your funnels and landing pages. Also, you can integrate with various autoresponders easily to automate the complete email campaigns for your leads. Step number 5. Promote landing pages and bring traffic to it. Once you're done creating landing pages and everything is set up properly, now it's the time to promote your offers. Promote special products and services across social media platforms, and you can also use paid traffic to promote your offers. Here in this quick video, we have tried to explain how you can start building your own landing pages using Kwikcart. Just by making few clicks, you can set up your own landing pages and funnels. Well, if you want to check out Kwikcart, then click on kwikcart.io. Here's a quick recap of all the points that we have covered in this video. Number 1. What is landing pages and what is the importance of it in your business? Number 2. Prerequisites of creating landing pages. Number 3. Step-by-step guide to start designing your landing pages and sales funnels. Well, this brings us to the end of our video and we hope and expect that this video has given you a fail-proof plan to get started. Well, tell us in the comment box on which topic would you like to see our next video coming up. Also, if you have liked this video, then do hit the like button. Also, for more upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel as well. Well, if you want to check out Kwikcart, then visit kwikcart.io.